Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and your iPhone device is lagging, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix if your iPhone device is lagging after iOS 26 beta profile. So now let's get started how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So first of all, simply you will need to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, and press the power button until Apple logo appears. So just simply you will need to force restart your iPhone device. Then after that, here you'll need to close your all opening tabs in your iPhone device. Here you can see that I'm using a lot of opening tabs. Here you'll need to close all opening tabs in your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you'll need to open your browser. Then here you'll need to turn off or close all your opening tabs from here. Then after that, again open settings. Then here you need to scroll down and tap on general. So if your iPhone device has not enough storage, then here you'll have to review your photos, videos and data, and here you'll have to delete some unnecessary data from your iPhone device, and here you'll have to also review your apps, and here you'll need to uninstall the unnecessary app from your iPhone device. So after that, here you'll need to again open settings, then scroll down, and here you'll need to tap on accessibility. So after that, here you need to tap on display and text size, and here you'll need to turn on the reduce transparency here. Then after that, go back again, and here you'll need to tap on motion. Then here you'll need to turn on the reduce motion from here. Then after that, here you need to close this tab. After that, here you need to again open settings, then scroll down, then tap on general, then scroll down here, then here tap on background app refresh, and here make sure that background app refresh is turned off from here. Then after, go back again and again open setting, then here tap on general, then here you need to scroll down, and here you need to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then here tap on reset. So after that, you will see this tab interface. Here you need to tap on reset all settings. So after that, here after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed, and the iPhone lagging problem after iOS update will be fixed in your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.